Let's visit the Philippines Eagle and learn. Let's go! Let's check the map first. They have souvenir stores too. Now let's listen first for the do and don't.
Okay po, so welcome to Philippine Eagle Center po. I'm your tour guide, Joanna. So before we start our tour, these are the guidelines po that we need to follow. Pero I'm gonna highlight po 4 lang po. So, maintain a good distance between you and the animals po. Avoid making noise and sudden movements. Turn off the flash in your camera po when you take pictures. And trash in, trash out. Okay na po? Okay po, display po tayo natin. So, ito po yung tinatawag na wild trail. So, ito po yung mga tao na nag-donate po dito sa Philippine Eagle. Kasi po, ang Philippine Eagle ay NGO or non-government organization. So, hindi po sila supported and provided po ng government. So, if you want to donate po, it's 1,000 per block, a maximum of 25 characters po or letters.
Let us meet our first eagle. He is Vigo. He is a model in 1,000 Philippine bill. The second one is Maricat. Maricat is a rescue eagle from Zamboanga del Norte in 2002. Third is Sinat. He hatched in the facility on December 7th, 2015. Fourth and fifth, Magiting and Hias. Sixth is Zeus. He is 21 years old. Seventh and eighth, Maginu and Mindanao. They are 23 years old. Ninth eagle, Pangarap. She was hatched in the facility on February 23rd, 1999. Here are the people who help the eagles by supporting them financially. Thank you so much to you guys. Because of you we are able to see these eagles. 10th eagle, Pagkakasa. This eagle is the second product of artificial insemination. 11th eagle, Enchanting Kajatingan, hatched in the facility on December 18, 2004. 12th eagle, LDI. She is the mother of Vigo, our first eagle. And here are some donors and partners who save our eagles. Thank you so much, guys. This is the preserved body of Che. He is the father of Vigo. And this is the preserved body of Pag-asa. She is the first product of artificial insemination. And this is Viola, the mother of Pag-asa at Pagkakasa. Thank you for joining us on this trip, guys. See you next vlog. Special thanks to our tour guide, Joanna. Thank you so much.